Are you a cat? Are you a scary lion today?
I'm a cat.
Are you a dragon?
I'm not a dragon. I'm a cat.
Okay.
Can I walk, Daddy? I need to walk.
Okay, you get out.
No, we just ran out of
Fell down and I got blood.
Yeah. Are you gonna be okay?
Yeah. What?
What do you have? What is it?
I don't know.
Elena, Mía, Hasta luego, Consuelo.
We got stamps. Well, we met people and we were talking to them and they were really nice to us.
maybe later, but the reason why I'm doing that.
Okay, we learned some things from yesterday. One is 22 kilometers is too far for kids in a stroller. Number two, starting at 12:10 in the afternoon is too hot for kids in a stroller.
Why?
Number three, 7 hours of hiking is too long for kids in a stroller. And number four, none of that's actually going to change because we have to keep doing that to get to Santiago in time because we have Airbnb scheduled all the way there. So number four is build in some wiggle room so you can learn from those mistakes. What's he doing? Just keep coming because that car I think has to wait. Oh, never mind.
Where can I sit?
Vamos?
Dile gracias.
Hey, I'm gonna break that. Yes, it is.
We are going up the hardest segment of the Camino, and it's really steep and rocky right before this. And a guy named Carlos helped carry the stroller for a long ways. So we are very thankful. And the girls just got something. What did you get? Grant, what did you get? Okay, okay.
We're not gonna do that one when you want. You can do nothing. You can do nothing.
Hey Grant, what are you doing?
I don't know.
Have you been looking for acorns? Have you found any?
His mouth's full of nuts.
Where?
Watch out, buddy. You're gonna put your toes in. Here. Put your toes in. Oh, how's that feel? Good?
What's this?
Looks like a leaf. Not immediately.
What's that nails? I have nails. I got a spider web. Daddy, can I spider web? You want? Found it.
Can you?
I got it. Where is it?
Don't move it, guys.
Okay, it's filling. Can I hold it?
Just hold it out so we can see. And then it's gonna need to fly away. Okay, we made it into Pontevedra. We did about 20 kilometers, maybe a little bit more, with some really steep uphills and steep downhills, and also a lot of rocks. So a lesson learned. Make sure you're walking near people who can help you carry a stroller over a bunch of rocks, which we had a really nice guy from Portugal do. And then a guy who gave the kids all bracelets and told them stories.